in this question, they say the diagram shows a circle inside a semicircle. Okay, so we have a couple of shapes within here, and they show a circle inside a semicircle. So I can see the circle, and I can see the semicircle, half a circle going across there. The circle has diameter 10, so I could see that as well. And the semicircle has diameter 20. So there's the semicircle, and its diameter is 20. Work out the area, the area shaded. So the area shaded, this bit here, they want us to work that out. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. So really important there. That's sort of the icing on the cake at the end. All right, so let's look at what we need to do. You need to do a little bit of thinking about this. This whole question is talking about area. They want us to work out the shaded area. So I need to appreciate the fact that the area of a circle is pi r squared. You absolutely need to know that. Okay, and I'm going to apply this to the small circle and the big circle in turn and try to work out the area of that shaded area. So for the small circle, right, there it is. Its diameter is 10, so that means its radius is 5. And I'm interested in the radius because the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So the area of the small circle, right, is going to be pi times 5 squared. And I could go on to work that out. It's a calculator paper, so you can punch that into your calculator, and there you've got your result. Okay, what I'm going to look at now is the larger circle. Now, I'm going to imagine that it was a full large circle. So if it was going all the way around like that, then I know the diameter of that circle, right, is going to be 20. They told me that in the question. And the radius of that circle, therefore, is going to be 10. I'm interested in the semicircle, in fact, just a small portion of the semicircle to help me work out the area of that shaded region. Let's work out the area of the larger circle first of all. Right, its radius is 10. Okay, so I'm going to do area is pi times 10 squared. Right, I could work that out with my calculator, and here I've got a result. So those are two areas, the areas of the big circle, a full big circle, and a full small circle. How am I going to use that now to help me work out the area of this small region that's shaded? Okay, so what I'm going to think about is that area there is a quarter of the large circle. Okay, I could work that out by finding a quarter of the area of the full large circle. Okay, dividing it by 4, that value 78.5398 is the area of that quarter circle. But remember, I want to take this section off to work out the area of this shaded region, and this section is half of the small circle. Okay, so that's half of the small circle. Half of the small circle is half of 78.5391. So divide that by 2. And that gives me 39.2699. That's the area of this hatched region here. I need to take that off the quarter of a circle that I've worked out. So 78.5398, take away 39.2699. Okay, there I've just written it down. You need to show all of this clearly and look at my presentation. It is clear. You're going to have more space than this, right? You can make your presentation absolutely clear. When you do this subtraction, you're going to get 39.2699. I notice I've just kept things to about 4 decimal places that we've been working through, and I'm going to round only at the very end. And remember, the question said give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. So we're going to chop this off after 1 place after the decimal point. There's a 6 next, so that needs to be 39.3 as my final answer. This is a really, really good question to develop your skills with using area of circle and really thinking about the whole circle. So you need to get your mind around it, make sure you do understand it, make sure you can do this particularly well.